right there.
All right, who are you talking about?
Where's it?
Are you serious? Where? Where?
I don't know. It was a tiny black one.
A tiny black one? Okay. I picked up a little while ago. Yeah, no, they have. I cleaned it up. Hey, there's one in the bucket.
Right.
Oh, God. I can't believe I'm taking a video of this.
Okay.
That's the poop bucket.
All right.
We even have a little shovel in there.
Yep.
Okay, hold on. Let me get over here into position. We've just installed this in the backyard. Oh, okay, just one
Yep.
plop is good.
Get up.
Everybody's
This
interested.
is not flush right. I'm not cleaning that shit.
Neither am I. I'm the camera operator.
Your stuff.
This is totally killing me. Oh, how sweet it is.
Down the drain. Yep.
And away it goes, troubles down the drain.
Yeah. Get out of here.
So, what we have here, I don't want to trip because, you know, I'm graceful. Today was installed by Ralph and Rob. Oh yeah, and it's got a slow descent lid. Look at that. Is that like classic or what? Oh man. And here it is. Today's the 13th of January and this has just been installed in the backyard to handle dog waste. Yahoo!